pieces of the raisin bread with peanut butter on it.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
Justin down there working now, or just
Yeah, he's mixing up the horse food. Look at this. Oh my god, they're having so much fun. I think the kitten needs a rest. It just can't help itself. It just wants to play and play and play.